the impact of COVID-19 to the students' mental health. Before we proceed, I'd just like to introduce my name first. I am Shaina Mae Bandico. I am choosing the topic and the title is The Impact of COVID-19 to Students' Mental Health. COVID-19 is a pandemic that we are facing right now and gives a problem to all the people because of the danger he can give. It affects the students' mental health because some of the students or people right now are facing a depression because of COVID-19. They depress about their studies and more. Students right now are exhausted, frustrated, and depressed because they don't know how to answer their modules because not all the students are genius. Some students are slow learner and fast learner, and you cannot force the students to study because maybe they really don't understand. There are among students died because of depression that can affect their mental health. Multiple treasures were identified that contributed to the increased level of stress, anxiety, and depression throughout among students. It because this included fear and worry about their own health and of their loved ones, reported negative impact of the pandemic, difficulty in concentrating, distraction to sleeping patterns, decreases social interaction to sleeping patterns, decreases social interaction due to physical distancing, and increases concern on academic performance. To cope with the stress and anxiety, participants have support from others and help themselves by adopting either negative or positive coping mechanism. Students' mental health in higher education has been an increasing concern. The COVID-19 pandemic situation has brought this vulnerable population into renewed focus. Our study aims to conduct a timely assessment of the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic on the mental health of students. Due to the long-lasting pandemic situation and one-orious measure such as lockdown and stay-at-home orders, the COVID-19 pandemic brings negative impact on higher education. The findings of our study highlight the organ need to develop intervention and preventive strategy to address the mental health of the students. Mental health issues are the leading impediment to the academic success. Mental health can affect students' motivation, concentration, and social interaction. Crucial factors for the students to success in higher education. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought into focus the mental health of virus-affected population. It is known that the prevalence of epidemic accentuates or create new stressor, including fear and worry for oneself. Although several studies have assessed mental health issues during epidemics because China was the first country for detecting coronavirus disease or COVID-19. Mental health is a key element of overall well-being. According to WHO, mental health an affluent states where the individual can realize his or her own skills. Students are also emotionally damaged, and lockdowns create social distance between them and other people while they stay at home. The mental health interaction is reduced during the pandemic situation. Lots of studies have been conducted to investigate the impact of earrings on individual mental health.